Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the 9 best skills you should learn to make money online. Before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Working from home appears to be the new normal, and COVID-19 has further exacerbated this trend. This is fantastic news for online students, who desire to make money while traveling the globe. You'll be able to pay your trips across the world, while completing your online degree, and beyond if you learn how to earn money today. Perhaps you'll never have to go back home. Here are the 9 most important skills to learn if you want to generate money online. Number 9. Search Engine Optimization. SEO, search engine optimization, is the practice of increasing unpaid or organic traffic to a website by raising the visibility of a website, or a web page on a search engine search results page, such as Google's. The key to SEO is to understand how to use the proper keywords across a website and blog so that Google recognizes a website or company as an authority on a particular subject and places their material at the top of the search results page. The higher your site appears on the results page, the more likely someone will click on it. The rules of SEO are continuously evolving, and any prospective employer trying to improve their domain authority will benefit from staying on top of current techniques. Number 8. Software development. Software developers, sometimes referred to as software engineers, coders, or programmers, are in charge of creating the computer programs and operating systems that we use on a daily basis. It's an excellent time to start a career in development, because demand significantly outnumbers supply, and this trend will continue for many years. It's also a well-paid profession, with median annual earnings of around $100,000. This domain has a lot to learn, and it's not for everyone. From web to iOS, there are over a dozen different sorts of software engineers. Resources to consider. Treehouse is a fantastic place to start your software development education. It's an online technology school with courses, ranging from beginning to advanced in web design, web development, mobile development, and game development, all taught by a team of experts. Its classes are designed for people who are new to coding, and want to get a job in the computer business. After completing their courses, they want you to be job ready. Number 7. Paid advertising. This branch of digital marketing is concerned with internet advertisements, whose primary purpose is to enhance sales by driving paid traffic to a website. We're mostly talking about Google Ads and social advertising on Facebook and Instagram, but there are also platforms like Pinterest and Snapchat where you may advertise. Professionals with this skill set are responsible for the adverts you see as you browse through your feed. The delivery of these advertising can become quite sophisticated, leveraging all of the data available to social media platforms and advertisers, including website traffic, user demographics, interests, and habits. Using this data to target the correct people who are most interested in a company's value proposition, and then tweaking those ads over time, is a valuable talent. Paid advertisements on Facebook and Instagram are the most common, and thus in high demand. Resources to consider. This course will teach you all you need to know about Facebook and Instagram ads, including how to increase your return on investment. Number 6. Social media management. Why not transform your personal passions into a professional enterprise, if you consider yourself a social media pro? Almost every business in the world requires a social media manager to maintain their platforms, engage with their communities, drive traffic to their website, and convert followers into customers. To plan and execute a calendar of social posts across Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and other platforms, a social media manager frequently uses scheduling software. They'll also implement tactics to boost a brand's involvement, with the goal of increasing brand exposure and, ultimately, sales. Because you were born as digital natives, social media management will come naturally to the majority of young people. Resources to consider. This Udemy course will teach you how to manage social media effectively. Number 5. Teaching English online. Teaching English online is perhaps the simplest option for a fluent English speaker to earn money from home. The entry hurdles are extremely low. All you normally need is an associate's or bachelor's degree, the subject doesn't matter, and a TEFL certificate. Teaching English is a foreign language. TEFL is an acronym that stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language. It's a normal course that teaches you the essentials of instructing non-native English speakers in English. There are many various levels of certification, which are usually classified according to the number of hours of study necessary. Because employers rarely indicate which is preferred, the cheapest and shortest training will suffice. Resources to consider. On Groupon, you may get exceptionally low-cost TEFL classes. Many companies recruit teachers, but the most majority will be teaching Chinese pupils, including adults and children, via an online video link. You don't need to know their language, so don't be concerned. Even better, the finest employers will offer you with lesson plans, so you won't have to worry about preparing for each session. VIP Kid is one of the largest employers. Number 4. Proofreading. Your talents are in higher demand than you might imagine, if you're a natural grammar nerd who can spot a spelling mistake a mile away. The penultimate stage before a piece of content is printed or published is proofreading. It doesn't matter if it's a paper, a blog post, a book manuscript, or a legal agreement. Proofreaders carefully read and reread to find any problems and ensure that grammar, spelling, punctuation, and formatting are consistent and accurate. Although it may be difficult to believe, many people make a good living as proofreaders online. Resources to consider. The Proofread Anywhere course will teach you the skills you'll need as a proofreader as well as how to find clients. Number 3. Graphic design. Learning graphic design is a terrific method to monetize your inherent skill, if you're a creative person and an artist at heart. Graphic designers are in charge of everything in the digital world's visual area, whether it's an engaging company logo or a wonderfully designed website. You'll need to be comfortable with applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign to succeed as a freelance designer. You'll also need to know the fundamentals of HTML and CSS if you want to build websites. Graphic design encompasses a wide range of disciplines, including design of websites and apps, creating the visual elements of a website or app. This includes not only the visual design but also the user experience, also known as user interface, UI, or user experience, UX, design. Design of a brand. Creating a company's identity and front-facing imagery, as logos, promotional materials, websites, goods, and business cards. Illustration and art. Consider gift cards, tattoos, book covers, and inside illustrations as examples of digital drawings. If you're brand new to graphic design, it's a good idea to get a broad understanding of all areas of the field before deciding on a niche to concentrate in. It's an excellent skill to master if you want to work from home, because your worth is based on the designs you make, which you can accomplish from anywhere. Resources to consider. Skillshare is a fantastic place to learn both the fundamentals of graphic design and advanced techniques. In the graphic design sector, they have almost 3,700 classes. This Udemy course is an excellent place to start if you want to pursue a career as a graphic designer. Number 2. Web design and development. Web design and development is a digital ability within graphic design that needs special attention because it is such a lucrative online business. Web designers and developers create websites for clients, frequently employing tools that make converting a design into a working website fairly simple. There are now so many no-code solutions available that websites may be built without any coding experience. Nonetheless, every company in the world requires a website to promote their product or service. Resources to consider. The Flux Academy teaches designers all they need to know about designing and constructing websites in Webflow, a no-code web development technology, so they can start making money online. They offer 3 courses, each focusing on a distinct aspect of web design and development. To begin learning how to make money online, with the tools taught by Flux Academy, no prior design or development experience is required. Number 1. Virtual assistants. Virtual helping is a fantastic method to start an online business and earn money without requiring a lot of expertise or technical knowledge. It's essentially the same as working as an executive assistant or secretary, but it's done online. Data input, bookkeeping, social media administration, customer service support, light graphic design work, and other administrative activities are all handled by virtual assistants for businesses. Resources to consider. The 90-day VA course is a cost-effective and efficient way to acquire all of the skills you'll need to get started as a virtual assistant, including how to find your first clients. You'll also have access to a fantastic community of other virtual assistants. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.